Okay, so, what's up? I found this in the creek the other day. Now, I don't know what's inside. It's all tied up. Like, it's tied up. And it's fairly heavy. So, I was just walking the creek. I looked down and it was like, along the bank. I'm like, okay, pick it up. Now listen to this. This could be money. Now, I'm gonna open this with y'all. So, I hope it's money. Like, I hope it is. Okay, so. Now. Cutting it. Okay. Here. God. Okay. Get this cut off. Now. This cut off. This razor is dull as frick. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay, so, got it open. Okay. Come on, cross my fingers, it's money. This is so crazy. Like, what did I find? Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? Bruh. It's just a bunch of freaking nuts and bolts. You tripping, bruh. Are you shitting me right now? God. Not a single coin. No. No. Well. Guess that's the end of the video. Bye.